Well, we've had a small, let's say, situation. I put it in, and look what terrible thing has happened. It has, the enamel on the front has separated from the back. Is this a catastrophic situation? It's borderline, yes. All this work, I knew there was a problem, but I forged ahead anyway. So I'm gonna go for a long walk and think about what my next steps are. Luckily, I haven't put any of the wires on the front, so, oh, you hear that. So yes, sometimes things happen, and I had a bad feeling about this yesterday, and here we are. Here we are. Anyway, I'll keep you posted as to when and how we move forward with this project. Obviously, this is done for. Live and learn, everybody.